Hello everyone, Blake here from yourgmctruckstore.com. Today we're taking a look at our 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, equipped with deep garnet metallic exterior paint, nice bright brilliant color. It is equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax engine powered by the Allison transmission. It's a pretty deadly combo to have in the truck. We try really hard to get these in, so when we find them we do pick them up. This is a certified pre-owned. It's been through a 150-point inspection. It does have the convenience package, HD trailering package, some nice side steps, premium cloth interior. What we're gonna do is just go take a peek inside, but before that, we'll just use a remote start. So it's a 6-passenger vehicle. The center console does flip up and turn into a seat. On the door panel itself, you have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have a little bit of storage down below, nice storage for water bottles, and a little bit more storage right here. You do have a power driver seat. All your 4x4 controls, trailer brake control are on the left-hand side. Let's jump inside. There's the kilometers on the vehicle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have all your cruise control settings. On the right-hand side, you have all your menu control settings, your voice command, your Bluetooth control. You can put the transmission into a manual mode. Rear vision camera. Does have the projection for your mobile devices. Right here is all your heated seats. Climate controls. You do have a power pedal option on here. You can turn the sensors on or off, exhaust brake, dual glove box. These are really nice trucks. Let's go jump in the back seat. So the back seat's a 60-40 split. They do lift up. One hand lifts it. Very simple. Just going to do a bit of a scan. If you have any questions about this truck, my name is Blake. I work at yourgmctruckstore.com. Have a great day.